leaders, Assistant Secretary, Jeff Canio. I am Ashley Rodriguez and S3 Kagawa Floren, Manasawi, Olgado. So aside from these people, United States of this of course, we would also want to thank our Barangay Council, headed by our Puno Barangay, the Honorable Emergency of Solid. And
candidate number 10, and Saniata Sikatbangan 2024, candidate number 2, to the Barangay Council officials of Katbangan, headed by Apo Kapitan Robert Abasolo, SK Chairperson Francis Monar. To all of you, it's been a beautiful evening. To my kumare, Precious Purawan Basila, it's a beautiful evening, Katbangan. This has been your host. My name is Dr. Yari Andaya, saying God bless everyone. Happy Fiesta, Katbangan, ay ayaten kayo. Uunahin kong i-announce ang ating bagong Saniata Sikatbangan 2024. Automatically, ang naliwan ang siyang Saniata Turismo 2024. Our Saniata Itikatbangan 2024, garnering an average score of 95.3 as compared to Saniata Turismo, garnering an average score of 93.41. Ladies, congratulations in advance. Saniata Itikatbangan